Alrighty guys, welcome back to Tour on Lincoln. Today is June 1st. So for Lancaster County, a little background here, Lancaster County, every first Wednesday of the month, they test the tornado sirens, outdoor warning sirens. And Lancaster County Emergency Management can't do that all by themselves. They need people with radios in their cars or just handhelds that can go out and let them know that they are working and that they are spinning, because here I know there's some that have like multiple speakers and then just sound. Ours actually sound and spin. That's what gives the customary just stuff like that. So they need people to go out there, and that's what we're gonna do. It's 9:15 in the morning. This tornado sirens sound at 10:15, so we're going to head out there and see what we can do. Alrighty guys, we made it on point. Right there's this siren. So now we're waiting 10 minutes until the sirens sound. Hear another siren. Do you hear it too?
No.
Oh, I can see if your earplugs in. It's very faint. But I hear another siren.
Maybe ours isn't working.
Alright guys, everybody's siren should be about done. And we'll go ahead and start getting people cleared out here. 98th and Old Cheney, N0HDG, K0SMM.
K0SMM and 0HDG. We could hear sirens in the distance, but our siren at 98th and Old Cheney did not sound nor rotate.
Alright, got that in the log here, got you checked out. Appreciate the help, Harrison.
Alrighty guys, so we made it back home safe and sound. As you heard, or I guess couldn't hear, the siren did not sound, and as you saw on the camera, it did not rotate. So we were able to hear other tornado sirens, but ours did not sound. So they're gonna look into that, I hope, and I'm sure they will, but get that figured out and keep everybody safe. So I'm glad we went out, because otherwise they wouldn't have known that one wasn't working. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and have a good day and stay safe.